The wonders of the rainforest. The rainforest is one of the most fascinating and important ecosystems on Earth. Found near the equator, these dense forests are home to more than half of the world's plant and animal species. They play a crucial role in maintaining the planet's climate and providing resources that humans rely on every day. Rainforests are often called the lungs of the Earth because they produce a large portion of the oxygen we breathe. The Amazon rainforest, for example, is the largest in the world and produces about 20% of the planet's oxygen. It also absorbs vast amounts of carbon dioxide, helping to slow down global warming. These forests are incredibly diverse. A single square kilometer of rainforest can contain hundreds of species of trees, insects, birds, and mammals. Many of these species cannot be found anywhere else in the world. This makes rainforests essential for preserving biodiversity. However, rainforests are under threat. Deforestation, often caused by logging, farming, and urban development, destroys large areas every year. This loss not only harms wildlife, but also affects humans by contributing to climate change and reducing the availability of valuable resources like medicinal plants. People worldwide are working to protect rainforests. Conservation programs, reforestation efforts, and sustainable farming practices are all part of the solution. By learning about rainforests and supporting these efforts, we can help ensure their survival for future generations. What are rainforests? Rainforests are dense, tropical forests located near the equator, where the climate is warm and wet year-round. These unique ecosystems are incredibly important for the Earth, covering only about 6% of the planet's surface. They are home to more than half of the world's plant and animal species, making them hotspots of biodiversity. Rainforests as the lungs of the Earth. Rainforests are called the lungs of the Earth because they play a significant role in producing oxygen and absorbing carbon dioxide. During photosynthesis, trees and plants release oxygen as a byproduct, creating fresh air for the planet. The Amazon rainforest, the largest on Earth, generates approximately 20% of the world's oxygen supply. At the same time, it acts as a massive carbon sink, storing carbon dioxide and helping to regulate the global climate. This is crucial in slowing down the effects of climate change. Biodiversity in rainforests. Rainforests are unmatched in their biological diversity. A single square kilometer can house hundreds of different species of plants, insects, birds, and mammals. Many of these species are endemic, meaning they are found nowhere else in the world. For instance, the jaguar, toucan, and poison dart frog are iconic rainforest animals. This diversity makes rainforests invaluable for maintaining the balance of ecosystems worldwide. The threat of deforestation. Despite their importance, rainforests are disappearing at an alarming rate. Human activities such as logging, agriculture, and urban development are the primary causes of deforestation. Trees are cut down for timber, land is cleared for crops or cattle farming, and areas are developed for housing or infrastructure. This destruction leads to the loss of habitats for countless species, disrupts local and global ecosystems, and contributes to climate change by releasing stored carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Additionally, deforestation reduces access to resources such as medicinal plants. Many modern medicines are derived from rainforest plants, and losing these forests means losing the potential to discover new cures. Efforts to protect rainforests. To combat the destruction of rainforests, various efforts are underway worldwide. Conservation programs. Governments and organizations establish protected areas where logging and development are restricted. Reforestation. Planting new trees helps restore damaged areas, though it takes years to replace mature forests. Sustainable practices. Farmers and industries are adopting methods that reduce harm to the environment, such as shade-grown coffee or selective logging. Education and awareness. Teaching people about the importance of rainforests encourages responsible choices, like avoiding products linked to deforestation. Why rainforests matter to us all. Rainforests are not just critical for the plants and animals that live in them, they also benefit humanity in countless ways. They regulate the Earth as climate, provide clean air and water, and offer resources like food, medicine, and materials. Protecting rainforests ensures a healthier planet for future generations. By learning about the rainforests and supporting efforts to save them, we can all play a part in preserving these vital ecosystems. Open questions. What role do rainforests play in producing oxygen? Why are rainforests referred to as the lungs of the Earth? What makes rainforests important for biodiversity? List the human activities that threaten rainforests. How do rainforests help in slowing down global warming? What are some ways people are working to protect rainforests? Why is it important to conserve rainforests for future generations? Name the largest rainforest in the world and its significance. This text provides factual information, and the questions encourage learners to extract details, understand the text's main ideas, and reflect on broader environmental issues. It can be used in both reading and listening comprehension activities.